What is going on, gentlemen? So glad you're here. It is it's a gorgeous day. I mean, I just got home from work. It's like 73 degrees, and for February 9th, I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. There's kids out playing. I see some birds flying. The sun is out. The temperature is absolutely perfect. It's my kind of weather. So I had to sit here with the garage door open. I had to come out. I had to try a new stick. I had to drink a new beverage. I mean, what more could you ask for? This is the Crown Heads Jericho Hill. It is very, very flavorful. It's got a lot of chocolatey richness, a little bit of coffee, and it is got this little bit of spice at the end of it. It's very, very good. I love it. Crown Heads is making some really good cigars. If I had a brand that grew big enough I could do like a collaboration cigar, it would be with Crown Heads right now. Like they're just doing such a great things. They're in my backyard, Nashville. Nashville is not too far from where I live, and so this would be a great company to do a collaboration with at some point in time. Maybe the House of Manners, Crown Heads, the House of Manners. That'd be amazing. I'd love to have that. Something like that would be great one day. What am I pairing it with? This was a crazy find. There was a guy, I just happened to be hanging out with my guy in the liquor store talking about whiskey. This guy walks in, he's on a mission, he runs around, he goes to the bottom shelf and picks up this bottle right here. And he looks at me and goes, "You a Scotch guy?" I said, "Yeah, I like Scotch." And he said, "You gotta try this, it's so good." And I said, "Well, what is it?" He said, "It's just a Highland blend." He says, "Delicious." And he said, "The price is even better." I looked at my guy, I go, "How much is it?" He said, "Well, it's normally like 40, but he said I got them from clearance from the distributor, so it's like they're like 20 bucks. I said, 20 bucks? It can't be that good." And sure enough, he cracked one open. He bought it, cracked one open, let me taste it. It's so good. I mean, for a $20 bottle, this is delicious. It reminds me of an Irish whiskey a lot. Got a lot of honey notes on it, cereal notes, but there's just this slight smokiness at the end of it, but it's really, really good. I'd pay $60 for it. It's that good. It's delicious. Well, I want to sit here and enjoy this beautiful weather, enjoy this beautiful cigar, enjoy this beautiful whiskey. I hope you're having a great day. Enjoy your time. We'll see you next time. Peace.